Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of the square root of sin x cosine x dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We have 2 sin x cosine x equal to sin 2x. We will apply this formula in this situation. So we have 2 divided by 2. So 2 sin x cosine x we change for sin 2x. Now we put the square root 1 over 2 outside. And you got about square root number 2 over 2. Square root number 2 over 2 is similar to the square root of 1 over 2. Next, we have sin 2x equal to cosine b over 2 minus 2x. We put this one in here. Next, we have cosine b over 2 minus 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sine square, and we got about b over 4 minus s. We put this one in here. This is the formula for this one. That is about cosine 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sine a square. I just apply this formula in this formula. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I put about u equals for this one du equal to negative ds. We put the negative on this one. This one we change for u. ds we change for negative du. And now we can apply about elliptical integration by of the second kind. So with this integral in here, we change to e u of number 2. And now we can get the final answer in here. This one we change to e multiplied with u number 2. And we go about c. About u, we need to change this one. That's the end. Thank you for watching.